We'll guide you through how to use AirDrop on a Mac. You can use it whether you're receiving or sending files. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. AirDrop is a really convenient feature because it allows us to go and put files onto our Mac from another Apple device or go and send them from it. This could be a PDF like I've got here, it could be a photo, a picture, a video, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step on how you can get started. As I said, we're covering it for both sending and receiving. So to get started, come onto the Mac and you want to go and open up the system settings. You can find that in your dock, or alternatively press the Apple icon in the top left and you can then find system settings there. Then they'll go and open up. You do need to go and have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. So go and have Wi-Fi here switched on, and then you can come to Bluetooth and you can go and have that switched on as well. So we're going to start with sending files from AirDrop on the Mac, and then we'll do receiving. So to go and start with sending, of course, what you need to do is go and make sure you've got the device you want to go and have them receiving on. So in this case, I've got an iPhone, it could be an iPad, it doesn't matter, or another Mac for this instance. I'll show you how you can go and set it up for receiving on a Mac in a moment though, when we do it on this Mac here. So what you want to do is on the receiving device, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both turned on. If I come into my settings, we can go and see they both are. Then what you need to do is go and open the control center by dragging down in the top right, tap and hold in here, and you want to go and find AirDrop and go and tap here. I like to go and set it to everyone. It just works better because contacts only doesn't always go and apply. So let's set it to everyone. Now, what you want to do is go and leave the iPhone or device on the home screen, like so. Now come onto the file you want to go and AirDrop, and you can go and select it. Then you can go and click on it with two fingers or go and right click depending upon your setup. And you want to go and find the option for share and go and click on it. Then you want to go and select AirDrop. Then you can go and see the different devices that it goes and finds. So in this case, I want to do it to my iPhone 17. So I'm going to click there and it goes and says waiting. And then it's going to go and complete. Now, in some cases, you'll need to go and have to accept it on the device. Because I've done it before between these devices and they're on the same Apple ID, that is why I don't have to. But in some cases, you will need to go and do that. So that's it. That's how you can go and send it. Alternatively, if you want to go and send it to a Mac, then what we need to do is you need to go and make sure AirDrop is on the Mac. So go to the top right and you can go and press on the symbols like this, sort of the switches. And you want to go down and find AirDrop and go and click on it. And you want to make sure that it's on. And if you click here, you can go and set it to everyone. And you can see it switched on there as well. Come onto the device you want to go and send from, and you can go and find the photo file or whatever you want to do it with. And we can come into photos. And then what you can do is go and find the photo you want to do this with. And you can go and press the share button in the bottom left, or a file as well. Press AirDrop and you can find the devices. And here is the Mac. I'll go and tap on it and it's now waiting. Go and be patient. It's now sending like so, and it will then go and appear. As you can see, we can go and show it in Finder or go and open it up. That's it. Once again, in some cases, you may need to go and accept it before it comes through as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.